10 must-visit places in Los Angeles. Best things to do. Los Angeles, the city of dreams, stunning coastlines, and endless adventures. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a local looking for hidden gems, this guide will take you through 10 must-visit places in LA that you simply can't miss. From iconic landmarks to breathtaking nature escapes, we've got something for everyone. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the best things to do in the City of Angels, 1 Griffith Observatory and Griffith Park. Let's kick things off with a breathtaking view. Griffith Observatory isn't just a great place to learn about the stars, it's also one of the best panoramic viewpoints in LA. Whether you visit during the day or catch the city lights at night, you'll be mesmerized. Take a short hike up to Griffith Park's trails and soak in the stunning skyline. Or snap that perfect photo with the Hollywood sign in the background. 2. The Hollywood Walk of Fame. Of course, no trip to LA is complete without strolling down the Hollywood Walk of Fame. With over 2,700 stars, you might just find your favorite celebrity's name beneath your feet. Make sure to stop by the TCL Chinese Theater, home to decades of Hollywood history, and grab a selfie with the legendary handprints of movie stars. 3. Santa Monica Pier and Beach. Next up, we head to the coast. Santa Monica Pier is an absolute must-visit, whether you're here for the Pacific Park amusement rides, the iconic Ferris wheel, or simply to enjoy a sunset over the Pacific Ocean. After some fun on the pier, take a stroll along the beach or hop on a bike to explore the scenic oceanfront path all the way to Venice Beach. 4. Venice Beach and the Venice Canal. Speaking of Venice Beach, this spot is famous for its bohemian spirit, street performers, and Muscle Beach Gym. Walk along the Venice Boardwalk to see artists, skaters, and local vendors in action. But don't miss the Venice Canals, a peaceful hidden gem inspired by Italy's waterways. It's the perfect escape from the crowds and an ideal place to take in some beautiful scenery. 5. Rodeo Drive and Beverly Hills. If luxury shopping and high-end fashion are your thing, then Rodeo Drive in Beverly Hills is the place to be. Even if you're not planning to splurge, it's worth visiting just to admire the glamorous storefronts and expensive cars. Take a short walk to Beverly Hills Park, where you'll find the famous Beverly Hills sign, a perfect Instagram-worthy stop. 6. The Getty Center. For art lovers, the Getty Center is a must. This world-famous museum features an incredible collection of European paintings, sculptures, and photography. But it's not just about the art. The stunning gardens and breathtaking views of LA from the Getty make it a perfect spot for a peaceful afternoon. Bonus: admission is free. 7. Universal Studios Hollywood. Looking for a mix of entertainment and thrills? Universal Studios Hollywood is one of LA's top attractions. Whether you're a fan of the wizarding world of Harry Potter, want to experience thrilling rides, or take the world-famous studio tour, this theme park offers non-stop excitement. Perfect for families, movie lovers, and adrenaline junkies alike. 8. Sunset Boulevard and the Sunset Strip. LA's nightlife wouldn't be the same without Sunset Boulevard. The Sunset Strip is packed with legendary music venues like the Whiskey A Go-Go and the Roxy, where rock legends once performed. Even if you're not into the nightlife, cruising along Sunset Boulevard is a classic LA experience, especially as the sun goes down and the neon lights come alive. 9. Malibu's stunning beaches. If you're looking to escape the city and enjoy some of California's best beaches, then Malibu is the place to go. From the scenic cliffs of El Matador Beach to the famous Surfrider Beach, this coastal paradise offers stunning ocean views, soft sandy shores, and some of the best waves for surfing. Don't forget to grab a bite at Malibu Farm Pier Cafe for a delicious meal with oceanfront views, the Los Angeles Arts District. Finally, if you want to experience LA's creative side, head over to the Arts District. This neighborhood is full of vibrant murals, trendy cafes, and unique boutiques. It's a great place to explore on foot, snap some Instagram-worthy pictures, and check out cool street art. Don't forget to grab a coffee at one of the hipster cafes or enjoy some of LA's best tacos while you're here. Wrapping up, Los Angeles is full of incredible sights, hidden gems, and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're visiting for a weekend or planning a longer trip, These 10 must-visit spots will make your time in LA truly special. Which of these places are you most excited to visit? Drop a comment below and let us know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel guides. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on new adventures. See you in the next one.